The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I leave that video with you, I'm going to tell you something that I read in a news article. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you know, I have a question that I'm going to ask you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, what I read in the news article is about a female ex-police woman who was born in the country of Jamaica and left the country of Jamaica and had a sex change. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some things that have been said in the news article, and I'm going to read parts of the news article as well, so please bear in mind that it might not be word for word as to how it had been said in the news article. Alright, so please bear that in mind. Now, here it is now. Kevin, a Jamaican ex-cop, said that his sex change transformation is 90% complete. Jamaica's toxic culture of condemnation of transgenders and transsexuals has been blamed for driving former policewoman to flee the country to embrace what he says is his true identity as a man identified as female at birth. You see what I'm saying to you? Now listen to this. Identified as female at birth, Kevin, who requested that his surname not be published, cited discrimination as the compelling cause for migrating to Canada, where he has undergone hormone replacement therapy and surgery on his journey to manhood. And there's a part of the news article that said that Kevin said, "I felt I was given the wrong gender at birth," and other things as well, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to ask you a question, and this question that I'm going to ask you is in no way intended to be discriminating towards anyone or against anyone. You see what I'm saying to you? No, that's not the intention behind this question, you see me? Now, here's the question. Do you think that the people within the country of Jamaica are highly discriminating towards gays, transsexuals, and transgender in recent times? And when I say the recent times, I mean recent, like within the year 2021. Is what I'm saying to you? Let me know what you think about that. Alright, you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell, you know, so that you can be notified when I put another video out there. And you can also share this video with other persons as well. Alright, so anyways, I am going to move on to the video that I said that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm going to leave this video with you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, now this video that I'm going to leave with you, this video is going to show a female who goes by the name of Kirby. You see me? Some time ago there was some form of issues on social media between Kirby and a person who goes by the name of Major Hype, you see me? But I'm not going to get into that, you know. This video is going to show Kirby, and she was crying, you understand? Tears was coming from her eyes, and she talked about females who had been killed, and it's like she's trying to say that too many women are being killed. You understand me? No, I agree with some of the things that Kirby said in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want to add something to that, you see me? Yes, I agree with some of the things that she said, viewers and subscribers. But you see, in my point of view, no one should be killed, no matter what. You understand? No one should get hurt. No one should be hurting anyone. You see me? And that's what I'm going to add to some of the things that she said in this video. Alright. Now I'm going to leave the video with you, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So you can let me know what you think about the video that I'm about to present to you. You can let me know what you think about the things that I said that I read in a news article that I just told you about. You can let me know what you think about that. Yeah. And big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, wanna big up on yourself, you see. Now, here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
my heart is so heavy. My heart is so heavy this morning. And I promised myself that I wouldn't come on here and let everybody see me so emotional. My heart is so heavy. I cried myself to sleep last night. And I woke up with a heavy heart this morning. The things that I've been talking about lately, the things that I've been going through lately, I don't understand how people don't see that this is an issue, don't see that Black women are being slaughtered. I don't understand. When men are being slaughtered or being murdered by police officers, it's us. It's us that have your back, that's protesting, that speaks up for you. When we are being slaughtered, who speaks up for us? We barely have each other's back. I'm so sick of it. It's so sad. My heart is so heavy. And then people come on my page and they tell me I'm looking for attention. Yes, I want attention to be brought to this. It's a problem. We're in trouble. Women are in trouble. We're being slaughtered by the men that's supposed to love us. I'm not gonna shut up about it. I'm not gonna be shamed into making people think that I'm looking for attention. Yes, I want attention. I want protection for Black women. Yes, I want attention. That's the attention that I want. When I tell y'all I didn't sleep last night, I didn't sleep good last night. Like, this is not a problem. Like, this is not a real thing. How many women have to die? How many women have to die before people to hear us or take us seriously? How many people? How many women? Listen. I really love my species. They found Andre's body in Trinidad. Before her, it was LaToya. And if we continue to not speak about these things and act like it's not happening, it's not going to be no change. I'm not going to pretend that it's not happening. It's a real thing. Women are being slaughtered. It's a real thing. And it's too often. It's too often. And you want me to shut up about it. And you want me to be quiet. Well, guess what? If I have to be the world's most hated person, that's fine. I love women way too much. I love myself way too much to sit back and not say nothing. Y'all could be, if you want to sit back and be afraid of the backlash, I'm not. Men are out here killing us. They're slaughtering us. They're murdering us. That's what's going on. So when y'all want to come on here and talk, listen, I'm that. You don't know what the fuck I've been through. You don't know what the fuck LaToya been through. You don't know what the fuck Andrea been through. They not here to tell their story. I'm here to tell my story. How dare you? How dare you? How freaking dare you? It's so I'm not even gonna say I can't believe it. My heart is so heavy. My heart is so heavy. I really just wanted to tell you guys to focus on what really needs the attention. All the hoopla and the extra stuff. No, we really have a problem. Your daughters, your mothers, your sisters, your aunts, the women you love are in danger. Y'all don't see that it's a pattern. Y'all don't see what's going on.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?